Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to calibrate the thumbsticks and triggers on the MACHENIKE G5Pro V2. Okay, first let's calibrate the thumbsticks. Press the key combination B plus back plus home. The indicator light is flashing, meaning it's entered thumbstick calibration mode. Now, calibrate them by gently moving the thumbstick slowly and lightly in circles 3 to 5 times. Then press start to save. Now, turn the controller off, and that's the thumbstick calibration done. Next, let's calibrate the triggers. First, set the trigger's physical switch on the back to the position for the longest travel distance. You can see the long travel setting. Okay, now start the trigger calibration. Press Y plus back plus home, all 3 keys. Okay. Now we're in the calibration mode. Normally, press the trigger all the way down 1, 2, 3 times. Then switch the trigger lock to the short travel position. Switch it over. Now press it down fully 3 more times. Then press a start to save. Okay, now our triggers are also calibrated. Now let's reconnect and check. Okay, it's connected. Thumbsticks. Triggers. Let's test the long travel mode first. Zoom in. It's showing a linear response. The long travel mode is a linear setting. Now let's switch to the short travel mode. It's triggering normally. Good. That's all for this video. See you next time. Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you about the MACHENIKE G5Pro V2 controller, specifically how to switch the thumbstick dead zones. First, let's connect the controller. Okay, connected. By default, both thumbsticks on our controller have a 10% dead zone. If we want to switch to a 0% dead zone, we simply press down both thumbsticks simultaneously and hold for 5 seconds. Now you can see our controller has switched to 0% dead zone. If I move it gently, you can see the numbers changing clearly. If we want a dead zone again, just long press both thumbsticks again. Okay, the controller vibrates as confirmation. Now we've switched back to having a dead zone. Look, if I move the stick gently, there's no change. This shows that there's now a dead zone around the center. Okay, let's try switching to 0% dead zone again. Good. The controller vibrates to confirm. Now we're back to 0% dead zone. You can clearly see the difference. This dead zone setting has memory function. After switching to 0% dead zone, it will remember the setting after restarting. Let's check. Let's reconnect. See, it's still in the 0% dead zone state. That's all for this video. See you next time. Hi everyone, in this video I'll explain the trigger vibration features and how to switch modes on the MACHENIKE G5Pro V2 controller. First, our trigger vibration has 3 modes. The first mode is travel mode, where vibration intensity increases as you press the trigger deeper. The second mode is native mode, which supports the game's native vibration feedback. But this only works in Bluetooth mode. The third mode is resonance mode, where the trigger motors vibrate together with the grip motors. Now let me show you how to switch between them. By default, the trigger mode is set to native mode out of the box. To switch to resonance mode, press both triggers down while pressing the FN key. Okay, the third indicator light flashes. This is now resonance mode. Press again. The fourth light turns off. Press again. The first light indicates travel mode. Press again. And we're back to native mode. You can cycle through the modes like this until you find the one you prefer. That's all for this video. See you next time.